In honor of Black History Month, we will now hear a reinterpreted performance of James Weldon Johnson and John Rosamond Johnson's Lift Every Voice and Sing. Please join us in welcoming Emmy Award-winning composer, drummer, and activist Jerome Jennings and Ensemble, featuring celebrated vocalist Brianna Swan.
Hey everybody, I just want to, thank you, sir. I just want to introduce the band so you know who's playing. That's Eddie Allen on the trumpet. That's Lee Hogan's on the trumpet. It's Dion Tucker on the trombone. Peter Lynn is playing trombone. We got Dean Scarlett on the bass trombone. Charlie Sigler is playing guitar. Mamadou Konate is playing percussion. We got Kenny Davis on the bass. Black Superman on piano. No, that's not his real name. His real name is Brandon McCune on piano. Well, I like that Black Superman. He sounds great. That's your name? Okay, and of course Brianna Swan Christie is singing. Is going to sing this rendition of our treatment of James Weldon and John Rosamond Johnson's Lift Every Voice and Sing. I am so blessed and honored to be able to put an arrangement of such an important tune. This is a sacred piece for me. I think it's a sacred piece for us. And I just want to, from the bottom of my heart, thank Lacey Hunter. I want to thank Claudia Sepulveda for I probably jacked that last name up, didn't I? There she is. And Honey Foster, too. I want to thank you, too. So I hope you all enjoy it. I do the most when I'm asked to do this. So we hope you enjoy our rendition of Lift Every Voice and Sing. Thank y'all.
Lift every voice and sing till earth and heaven ring, ring with the harmonies of liberty. Let our rejoicing rise high as the listening skies. Let it resound loud as the rolling sea. Sing a song full of the faith that the dark past has taught us. Sing a song full of the hope that the present has brought us. Facing the rise march on till victory is won. Stony the road we trod, bitter the chastening rod, felt in the days when hope unborn had died, yet with a steady beat have not our weary feet come to the place for which our fathers sighed. We have come over a way that with tears has been watered. We have come treading our path through the blood of the slaughtered, out from the gloomy past till now we stand at last, where the white gleam of our bright star is cast. God of our weary years, God of our silent tears, thou who hast brought us thus far on the way, thou who hast by thy might led us into the light, keep us forever in the path we pray, lest our feet stray from the places, our God, where we met thee, lest our hearts, drunk with the wine of the world, forget thee, shadowed beneath thy hand, may we forever our God, true to our name, true to our God, true to our name, true to our God, true to our name. True to our God, true to our native land.